Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is Adobe Photoshop. It's your chapter number 4. Firstly, we know that what is Photoshop. Photoshop is a graphic designer software developed by Adobe system. Earlier in 6th standard, you also read about the Adobe Animate. Now it's Adobe Photoshop. uh, why we are using it. It is used for graphic designer, and it allows us to create, modify and optimize digital image. क्रिएट करते हैं हम इसमें, उसमें मॉडिफिकेशन करते हैं टू इंक्रीज द पिक्सल्स, टू इंक्रीज द क्लैरिटी, टू चेंज द कलर्स. We can then save the image to print, or we can also share the image by using this Adobe Photoshop. Feature of Adobe Photoshop, what we can do in this: understanding and selecting the pixels. We read about the in Photoshop, digital image are made of teeny solid colors, square called pixels. It provides various selection tools to edit specific pixel in the image. Like sometimes we see that our picture is blurred. That is because of that pixels. Now painting image, you can use Photoshop paintbrush, airbrush, pencil tool to apply color, or to apply any pattern to draw the image, and then adjusting the color. Like sometimes we see that our picture looks more brighter, or it's darker. To change the shades of the color in the part of your image, we use the Photoshop burn, similar tool and docked. All these features are there to adjusting the colors. Then applying the filters. Photoshop filters can make your image look like it's just painted by a painter, or sharpen or blur your image if you want, or distort your image. In various ways you can put different applications on your image. And then editing text, like we just add the picture and we want to mention something in the picture. Type tools of Photoshop make it easy to apply title and label to your images. Now how to start the Photoshop? Go to the start menu, scroll down and search Adobe Photoshop. It looks like that, and at the top it's our menu bar, and then it's our menu bar, it's our title bar, and it's our option bar. Options are available there. It's our option bar, and very left side it's our toolbox. In Paint also we are seeing that it's our toolbox. At the bottom at here it's status bar, and is this at this side rightmost corner, these all are our palettes. What is the function of the menu bar? It displays the menu that contain most of the commands in it. And you all know that title tab, it shows us the name of the application which we are running. That time जिस फाइल को हम रन कर रहे हैं उसका नेम शो करेगी. And then option bar, it displays control that let you customize the selected tool in the toolbox. क्या करता है ये? हमें डिस्प्ले करता है कंट्रोल्स जो हमें कस्टमाइज करते हैं और जो हमें सिलेक्शन में हेल्प करते हैं टूल्स की टूल बॉक्स में. एंड देन it's our toolbox. There are many tools in the toolbox. You all are familiar with the toolbox. Now at the bottom there is a status bar, displays the magnification of the current image, and at here it's a palettes. Palettes, small windows that give you the access to common commands and resources. You can click the tabs and icon to display the hide palettes. Like if I want to close it, I can. It's our palette. Then working with the Photoshop. How to work with the Photoshop? Like if we are having any of the image in our system, we can take that also. Go to the file menu and then press open button, and at here it opens, a dialog box opens, and from that open dialog box, we are choosing image which we want to on which we want to perform actions. Like I select this mouse and at here it shows us that what is the size of it. जो image हम open करेंगे वो हमें पहले ही यहाँ पर show हो जाएगी. Then what we are doing, it shows us the name. We select the name, we select the picture which we want, and then press the open button. It shows us. Now click on the image in the menu bar. Image का size जो है, we can change it by image size dialog box. See it here. ये image के size का अलग से हमें एक dialog box appear हो रहा है, and हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, हम इसको भी maximize कर सकते हैं like this. And now we want to changing on screen size of image. Like at here it looks very small. We can change it also. How? Again go to the file at here go to the image in menu bar, click on the image, then select the image size, and at here mention the size, change the width of the, like I do it here. Accordingly it changes height itself, and then press the OK. You see that little bit changes in our picture. Okay. And then if we want to change the canvas size of the image, then again go to the menu bar and again click on the image, and then go to the canvas size, click on that and change the size in that. $400, and at here mention 500. From there, after that we give the anchor, that where we want to put our image, in center or at here, according to our choice we can, but we select in center and then press the OK button. It provides canvas to our image. Now using the Photoshop tools, how we can use the tools? Like I select the zoom tool from there. If I want to zoom any of the part, then I can select and click that part. I simply click on the nose and it appears like that. Now I want to reduce the size of this. Again go to the zoom, press on the zoom button, and side by clicking on the zoom को हम drag करके लाएंगे, and press alt button also. Okay, like this. If we want to increase, then press on the zoom, and if we want to decrease, then drag the zoom button and side by side press the alt button. In this way we can zoom the image. Now crop the tool. How we can using the crop tool, at here it's a crop tool. What is the meaning of the crop tool? We are using also that, like we want to select some of the part, particular part, like अभी mouse का हमें सिर्फ mouth select करना है, then we can crop. Rest of the image disappears, only that part shows us. In this way we can crop using the crop tool. Now select tool अगर हमें use करना होता है तो कैसे use करते हैं हम? Now if we want to see our original image again, then go to the option bar ऑप्शन बार क्या करता है, हमें हमारे टूल बार के जो हम टूल सेलेक्ट करते हैं वो ऑप्शंस हमें यहाँ प्रोवाइड कराता है. देन वी चूज दिस कि वी वांट ओनली माउथ और that picture, previous picture, we want previous picture, press this, our previous picture appears at here. Then what is the use of the selection tool? Press that select button from here, marks tool. We can, in this way we can select, it's our rectangle select box. In this way we can select our image. Thank you and have a nice day.